Hello, myself Omkar Moria, and I'm going to present you my Phonepe Pulse project. And here's the my first page of UI UX, and here you can see the video where all the world, India is the top 10 top most which using Phonepe app for transaction of the money. So here's the number of transactions, number of countries, and which mode of payments are done here. And you can download the summary by clicking on that mode, and you can check out the reports of the PhonePe Pulse, and you can check the home section also where I have um, uh, added the detail of PhonePe, and I have added on the video where you can check the how PhonePe is using and how the money will be transaction and money will be received from bank to bank. So there are different kinds of mode of payment like peer-to-peer merchants and many modes. So I have finally created live view visualization map where you can visualize the map, and after pinpointing every point you can check out the data like total latitude, longitude, state, total amount, year, quarter, and color. So there is in 2018 and the quarter one there is 15 million transactions, but in third quarter there is a 15 million transactions, and you can check in 2022 there is a 1.58 million transactions. So in 2021 there is a 600 million transactions. In this graph you can check out where Maharashtra is the top most in the payment. I have created a bar chart also. You can check here by changing the drop downs. You can check the graph of bar graph here. So in different drop downs having different data I have added here, and you can visualize from here. And each kind of data and whoever are displayed here are on point on the basis of pointer. So in the next step is the basic insights. I have created 10 drop downs in which different type of data are here, and you can visualize in each of these sections like top 10 states are in respect to in which year and the transaction amount. So in 2022 there is a highest transaction in Telangana, and in 2022 Madhya Pradesh is the lowest in transaction amount of transaction. So here's the bar graph. Also, you can visualize the data, and there is a top five transaction mode where transactions are happened. Like peer to peer is the top most payment method, and the financial services are the lowest method, and others. Then after that, recharge bills payments, and so the next is the top 10 registered users based on state and district. So there is a different state in which different districts are available where number of registered users are there. So we can visualize here in the Tamil Nadu there is a highest number of registered users, and in Tamil Nadu Chennai district they have this amount of, and in the Uttar Pradesh Prayagraj this amount of registered users are available there. And in top 10 registered user based on state and district. So there is all the data are visible here, and you can visualize and analyze the data and about the registered user and the interest of the customers in which type of mode of payment also. So I can go to the section of uh, contact where you can contact me from via mail, or you can check my YouTube videos all and the GitHub profiles and check out my all the projects and the LinkedIn account and Instagram website Kaggles also. You can mail me on the Omkar M 0450542 at gmail.com. Also, you can check the my project code on of GitHub. Will share the link of GitHub in the description box. You can check out that. Please like, subscribe, and comment on that video. I'm waiting for your comments for improving my project. So thanks you for watching.